Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to use open source LLM models using Hugging Face in N8N. First of all, you have to navigate to the workflow you want to add your open source LLM to or create one from scratch. Now, either click on Add First Step or right click and click on Add Node. Look for LLM chain. Now set your system message. In my case, I'll be creating a fitness assistant. After that, in the bottom here, we will select the model we'll be using. Click on Add Model. You will have the list of the LLM providers, but in our case, we'll be using only Hugging Face models. So scroll down or look for Hugging Face Inference Model. Now for this, you will have to create a credential. To do so, just create new credential and type in your API key from Hugging Face. To access your API key, just go to Settings, Access Tokens, and create a new token. Give a name to your token, and then make sure to select all of these three. And then click on Create, and you will get your access token. You can copy it and go back to your N8N server and paste it here. Then hit Save. Once you do that, you will have to select the model you'll be using. So you can go to Hugging Face and look for any model you want to use. For our case, we'll be using the Llama 3.23 billion instruct because it's a small model and can be loaded fast. Copy the name here and then paste it under model. And then leave it. Now we can test our workflow. Just click on Open Chat and type in your message. I will ask it, for example, about the best 2 tricep exercises. We can wait now for it to generate the answer. And here you go. We get our answer now. And just like that, guys, you are now able to use your Hugging Face inference models inside N8N. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.